In this film, we will go through the new functionality in Grundfos MIXIT, Supply Source Setpoint. This functionality enhances energy efficiency in heating and cooling applications. By precisely controlling the temperature range according to the demands of the circuit, you can ensure optimal performance and compatibility across multiple units. Supply Source Setpoint lets you control the supply source within a configurable temperature range, from 0 degrees to 100 degrees, through a fixed 0 to 10 volt output signal from the CIO3 on the MIIXIT unit. The functionality is pre-configured to MIIXIT setpoint plus 5 degrees as a default for heating, and MIIXIT setpoint minus 2 degrees as a default for cooling. The default values can be changed via the Grundfos Go app. Let's look at an example. If the MIIXIT setpoint in a heating application is 50 degrees, the supply source setpoint is 55 degrees, which equals a 5.5 volt output signal. In a cooling application where the MIIXIT setpoint is 16 degrees, the supply source setpoint is 14 degrees, equaling a 1.4 volt output signal. The supply source setpoint can be adjusted with the Grundfos Go app. Connect the app to the MIIXIT unit via Bluetooth and select the supply source setpoint setting. Now you can adjust the minimum and maximum temperature within a range of 0 degrees to 100 degrees. When the range is adjusted, a guide helps you connect the wire in the MIIXIT unit correctly in the terminals. To set up an additional unit, connect the app to the MIIXIT unit via Bluetooth again and click at the bottom of the settings to enable a daisy chain. Repeat the same procedure until all your MIIXIT units are connected. Once they are connected in a system, the unit with the highest demand controls the supply source setpoint, as we can see in this heating example. For cooling, the unit with the lowest temperature requirements controls the setpoint. You can adjust the setpoint input to fit the other MIIXIT units in the chain as they should be the same. The daisy chain automatically detects which unit has the highest demand and thus controls the supply. You can also change the offset temperatures from the default setting, for heating between 0 and 25 degrees, and for cooling between 0 and minus 25 degrees. Finally, you can set the standby temperature from 10 to 50 degrees for both heating and cooling. If any of the MIIXIT units lose connection to the field bus, are in stop, or an alarm appears, they will go to standby temperature. Ultimately, the supply source setpoint functionality precisely controls temperatures and ensures optimal performance in both heating and cooling applications, taking mixing loop energy efficiency to a new level.